show you exactly how to use your crypto to buy into unicorn companies like SpaceX, OpenAI, and Ripple before they ever hit the stock market. We're doing a head-to-head comparison of the two biggest platforms in the world, Linqto versus StartEngine. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. In the old world of finance, by the time a company like Facebook or Google went public on the stock exchange, the 100x gains were already gone. They were pocketed by Silicon Valley insiders and massive venture capital firms. But the game has changed. You can now use your USDC, USDT, or Bitcoin to buy private shares in companies valued at over $1 billion. This is called pre-IPO investing, and today we're looking at the two best ways to do it. First up is Linqto. If you want to pick a specific winner and own it instantly, this is your platform. Unlike other sites that act as middlemen, Linqto actually owns the shares they list. When you see SpaceX or Ripple on their dashboard, those shares are already in their vault. When you click buy, the transfer is near instant. They are the go-to for Ripple or XRP, XAI, Epic Games, and Uphold. Here is the best part. Linqto has a deep integration with Uphold and BitPay. You can link your digital asset wallet and swap your digital assets for private equity in under 60 seconds. Next, we have StartEngine. If Linqto is for stock pickers, StartEngine is for portfolio builders. Their flagship product is the Private Tech Selection Fund. Instead of betting on just one company, you invest in a managed fund that bundles the biggest names together, OpenAI, Anthropic, and SpaceX all in one basket. And they focus heavily on Reg CF, or Regulation Crowdfunding. The minimums are where StartEngine wins for the retail investor. You can often get into high-growth startups with as little as $100 to $500. Understand that private companies don't have a live ticker. Their value only changes when they raise a new round of funding. So, which one should you choose? Choose Linqto if you have at least $2,500 and you have a conviction play on a specific company like Ripple or XAI. Choose StartEngine if you're a beginner with a smaller budget who wants a set-it-and-forget-it portfolio of the world's best AI companies. So, if you could only own one, SpaceX or OpenAI, which would it be? Let me know in the comments, and I'll respond to the most technical breakdown. Click this card for a curation of our best crypto video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.